now you're probably sitting with your passport in one hand and your phone in the other, staring at the IELTS booking page and thinking, what if I make a mistake? What if I lose all my money? Totally fair, almost every student feels this at this stage. Hi, I'm Shreya from Shiksha Study Abroad, and today I'm going to sit with you and help you book your IELTS exam step by step. By the end of this video, your slot will be booked and you will be confident that you did everything right. But before we start, a quick check. Do you have these three things ready? First, original passport, valid on test day. Aadhaar or PAN card won't work. Second, scanned copy of passport, clear and under 1 MB. And third, payment options, credit card or debit card or UPI with international transactions enabled. If not, pause this video and gather these things. Okay, so you have it now, let's begin. First, go to the official IELTS website by ITB. Then, click on Book Now or Register for Test. You will see a few mandatory fields. First is test format. Select computer-based. Computer-based is faster. You will get results in 3 to 5 days. Second, test type. If you are going abroad for studies, choose academic. General is only for PR or work. Third, select your preferred city. You don't have to choose your home city. Finally, fourth, click on Book Now. Now, you will be taken to another page to see your available dates and slots. It is mandatory to select both test date and time slot. Green dates mean available slots. Pick the one that fits your schedule. Remember to book early as popular slots fill fast. Personal details, the most critical step. First, you will have to fill your date of birth exactly as your passport. Even a small mismatch with your passport can stop you from taking the test, so be careful. Other mandatory fields include your name exactly as per your passport, gender, mobile number, address, nationality, email address which must be correct as you will be receiving your confirmation here, passport details such as passport number, issue date and expiry date. Next is additional details. These are mandatory, but don't worry, these don't affect your test. These include educational level, occupation and purpose of the test. Now you will need to upload your passport, the front page and the last page. Make sure it's a clear color scan under 1 MB. Next, you can now review everything carefully. This is your last chance to fix your mistakes. Now comes the final step, the payment. Around 19,000 in India. Payment options include debit card, credit card, net banking or UPI. If payment fails, enable international transactions or switch payment mode. Once payment is successful, you will get a confirmation email or SMS. Now choose your speaking slot. Don't take it on the same day as your main exam. Take a 1 to 2 day gap so you're fresh. If you take the computer-based test and you are unhappy with just one section, you can go for a IELTS OneSkill retake instead of going for the full exam again. And that's it, you're officially booked. Let me give you some tips to save your money. You have already spent around 19,000 on this exam. So spending another 10 to 15,000 on coaching, that's not really worth it. At Shiksha Study Abroad, we offer free IELTS preparation, daily live classes, expert trainers, practice material and a full student community. We have some excellent score history with our students. Check out some scorecards here. The link is in the description. Join a batch and save that money for when you actually land abroad. And if this made things easier for you, like and subscribe. We will guide you through every step of your study abroad journey. If you get stuck anywhere, drop your question in the comments. Me and the Shiksha team will help you out. Alright, see you in class. Shiksha Study Abroad की free IELTS classes बिल्कुल इसी के लिए तो है. Description में link है. Free join करो अभी.